Everyone's obsessed with followers, right? It's the first number brands look at, the metric influencers flaunt, but here's the hard truth. Follower counts are one of the most overrated metrics in the game. Let's break it down. First off, follower counts are just a vanity metric. It's like bragging about the number of people who walked past your store, not the number who actually came in and bought something. What really matters? Engagement. And engagement is driven by views. Views are the real currency in this game. They tell you who's actually paying attention, who's stopping their scroll to watch, and who might be ready to take action. You can have 1 million followers, but if your videos are only getting a few thousand views, you've got a problem. It's like shouting into the void. Brands are catching on to this. They're starting to realize that a smaller creator with fewer followers but consistently high views is often a better investment. Why? Because views are proof of interest, proof that content is resonating, and that's where the real influence happens. But it doesn't stop there. It's not just about the number of views, it's about who's watching. Are these views coming from your target audience? Are they converting into clicks, sales, or signups? That's where the rubber meets the road. So the next time someone brags about their follower count, ask them about their views. Ask them about their engagement, because in the end, it's not about how many people could be listening, it's about how many people are. What's your take? Do follower counts still matter, or are views the real king? Let's hear it in the comments. And if you're into shattering marketing myths, hit that subscribe button. We've got more truths to unveil.